Welcome back to my channel. Today we have the TestTube box here for September. This is, I believe, $29.95 every other month, and it usually has quite a bit of good stuff in it. This is the pamphlet that comes with it, and inside it has the information about it and the prices and all that fun stuff. And we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it. So they had several things that did not fit in the box. So let's see what the first item I got here is. Okay, the first thing here is Aquage, I guess that's how you say it. This is dry shampoo styling extending spray. This hybrid product combines the cleansing, oil-absorbing powders of a dry shampoo with a volumizing benefit of a texture spray. Okay, that's interesting to me because I've always kind of thought dry shampoo was texturizing and volumizing, but I don't know. I will be interested to see how that does. Okay, so the next thing we got here is Good Science Beauty. And it looks like you could have got one of four things. It says you could have got, let's see, hydrating face cream, skin firming cream, purifying face cream, or skin brightening cream. And I got the skin firming cream. And let's see what it says about it. It says, this biotech native brand leverages the natural properties of elemental silicone. It's proprietary good silicone plus technology delivers scientifically proven ingredients in a bioavailable state and time releases them to perform their intended function. And this retails for $48. And mine is the skin firming cream, which I am not against at this point in my life, and it is really sealed, so give me a second to open that. Okay, so this is what the actual bottle looks like. I'm not opening that yet because I've got a bunch of stuff that I am using right now. Put it back in a little box. I do like this box. I know it's not like extra special or anything, but it's a good sturdy box. Okay, so the next thing we have here is Maskology Plucker Up Lip Plumping Kit. And this retails for $4. Apparently there is exfoliating scrub, lip mask, and lip plumper all in this. It says this 3-step kit includes an exfoliator, lifting mask, and a plumping gloss for the most thorough pick-me-up your pound has ever experienced. Okay, so I use face masks a lot. I don't really use lip masks, so I'm probably going to pass this on to someone else. Okay, the next thing we have here is After Spa. This is a bath and shower exfoliating washcloth, and this retails for $7. It says, now we can scrub all those hard to reach places without the fuss. This exfoliating washcloth is treated with a antimicrobial that resists the accumulation of bacteria and fungi. So I ain't gonna lie, when I first saw that I was gonna get this, I was not super excited, but then I looked at it a little bit more, and I kind of am, you know, because I'm like looking at the stretch thing, and I might actually really enjoy this. So alright, so now we are moving into the actual box. First thing we got here is the antibacterial hand soap. Okay, so this, our sanitizer, not soap. Okay, this is CO Bigelow, and this retails for $6. This fragrance-free hand sanitizer is made with 70% ethyl alcohol, making it the perfect antibacterial must-have for stay-at-home season. Okay, so with everything going on with COVID, and you know, the holidays are not far away, the hand sanitizer is kind of a must, and I'm happy to have something else that I can throw in my purse on the go. So there we go. All right, the next thing we pull out is this right here. This is cleansing oil to milk, and this retails for, okay, I don't see the price. It says receive $20 with a $70 purchase, but I don't see the price. I will find the price and list it. This is ideal for healthy looking glow. This oil to milk cleanser removes all traces of waterproof makeup and impurities for irresistibly soft and supple skin. So I do use oil cleansers a lot. Usually when I'm wearing makeup, I use the oil cleanser first to break up all the makeup, and then I wipe it off with a makeup cloth, whatever, and then I wash it. So thrilled about more facial oil. Okay, next thing we have here is Glow Skin Suede Matte Lip Crayon. This retails for $22. This crayon delivers full coverage and gives users the ability to easily customize both their lip shape and color. Okay, I do absolutely love lip crayons. I don't think this color is unique. I mean, it's even close. It's like a shade lighter than what I got on now. So I don't know that I'm going to keep this. So I'm not going to open it and I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not even sure that I'm going to keep it. So. Okay, so the last thing we got in the box is Anti-Age Home Micro Needling Intro Kit, and this retails for $120. Okay, what this is powered by stem cell growth factors. This kit is your one-stop shop to healthy skin. It includes one derma roller and 2 vials of home micro needling solution to last 10 treatments. Okay, so I've seen these before and I have mixed feelings about it because I've heard some people swear by it and say that their skin looks great, and I've also heard other people say, don't use this, this is really a professional treatment, there's all kinds of things one way or the other. Am I gonna try it? Yeah, I'm gonna try it, I ain't gonna lie. But let's go ahead and look at it. And what I'm thinking, because this is definitely something unique, I'm thinking I might do a video where I just try this out, use up all the treatments, and give you a real review. If that's something you would be interested in, let me know and I will do a review video of this product. See that? It's kind of cool though, right? But anyways, that is it of everything in here. Looks like this also gives a coupon in here. Get your next micro needling kit 50% off. So that's cool too. So yeah, that is it of everything in my box. I think that was pretty good. I forget how much it says it retails for, but I know it was a lot. So I've got my micro needling kit, my home spa thing here, dry shampoo, my firming, firming cream, then the hand sanitizer, the lip product, another lip product, and the oil. So that is what I got. There we go. Everything in the box. So that was quite a bit of stuff. I think that was a lot of really good stuff. But that is it of this video. Let me know what your favorite item was in this month's box. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.